2, 1, go.
And they are off as we begin in autonomous mode. 20 seconds, the robots doing what they're programmed to do by their teams. Walking over to get those pieces of coral onto the reef. And that ends autonomous mode, and that sound means the drivers are now in control. So with the bell, we know the drivers of each team are now in control. Robots moving across the ocean floor, trying to get that algae, those large green spherical objects being the algae, trying to get those. But then we have them trying to get the coral onto the reef. And we do have a piece of coral on that top row. That top row is worth 5 points. That one being scored by the Red Alliance and G3 Robotics. The Flying Legion getting some of that algae out of the reef. (1648) G3 Robotics with another 5-point piece of coral onto the reef. That top level is worth 5 points. Over on the blue side, we have 6944, the Wolverines, trying to get some coral into their reef. If it falls into the trough, but it's going to go up and it does not land on the pegs of the reef, but it does fall into the trough, worth 2 points for the Blue Alliance. 6944 getting that for their team. 1 minute to play, 36-13. Red Alliance in the lead with 1 minute left to play. G3 Robotics with another 5-point piece of coral over on the Blue Alliance side. The Wolverines are getting another piece of 5-point coral for the Blue Alliance. With that top row, 1648 again, scoring the points there for the Red Alliance. There's another one going up high and going on the top row for G3 Robotics for another 5-point score for them. 20 seconds remaining. The sound of the sonar tells us that we have 20 seconds left to play as the teams move into the end game mode. Each team trying to get the robots back to the area underneath the reef zone. That is the red and blue taped off areas, trying to get off the floor if possible. If they can get off the floor by hanging on the anchor, they will receive bonus points. And that's the end of match number 47. Current score shows at Red Alliance 61, Blue Alliance 36. We will wait the final results from our officials. And we have the official winner now. We look at the reef to see which fish win. It is the red fish. The Red Alliance wins the match. Congratulations to the Flying Legion, the Eaglebots, and G3 Robotics. Your final score is 65-40. The red team receives 3 ranking points for winning the match. The blue team receives a ranking point for being in the barge area under by coming off the ground. So congratulations to the Blue Alliance for that ranking point. Final score 65-40.